Level 1 Desperate Noobs. These are highly desperate 19-year-old beginners with anime DP who just wanna get started with open source at any cost and by any means. The type of contributions they make are unnecessary readme changes and spam PRs. They think that open source is all about green dots in the streak, and if they collect enough of those dots, then NASA will directly pick them up from their homes via helicopter. This makes their net impact in the open source community negative, and the community likes them as much as Sam likes Dario. Such contributors are the ones who wakes a maintainer up in the midnight and cause erectile dysfunction. And what such contributors need most is awareness, efforts, and direction. Level 2 Aware Noobs. These open source contributors are beginners, but they are aware. The type of contributions they make are small but meaningful, like grammar fixes, documentation updates, basic UI changes, etc. Even though they create mild psychological turbulence to the maintainers by asking the stupid questions that can easily be answered by Google or ChatGPT, but they are open enough to learn more about open source. This way they have very tiny but positive impact in the community. And at the moment, what they need most is a direction and Opensox Pro access to reach level 6 in the next 4 to 5 months. Level 3 Hardworking Noobs. These contributors are low-key beginners, but they are aware and most importantly hardworking. You can recognize them by observing their naming conventions. But a good thing about them is that maintainers can sleep peacefully and spend time with their kids. Such contributors make medium level but meaningful contributions like authentication, creating UI pages, writing test cases, and fixing medium level bugs. And what makes them different than level 2 contributors is that they put constant efforts to be an impactful contributor. Because of this, they are well known in the community and they get attention. And what they need most is direction. Level 4 Average Mids. These are medium level contributors who have a clear direction and stability. They don't circle around every new open source project in the town. Instead, they just focus on one or two main projects that they are genuinely interested in. They make medium to hard level contributions like migrations, AI integrations, and fixing medium to hard bugs. Their mindset revolves around I have to contribute more and better. These kind of open source contributors are very well known and respected in the community, and the maintainers recognize them too. And what they need most is more ownership and responsibility. Level 5 Serious Hobbyist. These type of open source contributors are really serious about making open source contributions. Sometimes they give more time to open source than their LOML. The contributions they make are huge and highly impactful. For example, end-to-end migrations, ideation of new features, performance improvements, or writing low-level code. Such kind of contributors have the genuine love for the open source, and they can do it without any incentive for years. Such contributors are very well respected and recognized in the community, and very often they are permanent collaborators in the community. And what they need most is more time to contribute, because most of such contributors have a full-time job with a not so chill boss like Narayan Murthy. Now, level 6, the professionals. These are the pros in open source. They create and maintain libraries and projects that thousands of normies like you and me use every single day. Also, they do open source professionally, because open source is not only their passion but also their career. They are the most respected individuals in the community because they are the maintainers who endure the stupidity of level 1 open source contributors. And what they need most is support and donations so that they can keep on maintaining the projects that let us use the technology without spending most of our paychecks on proprietary tech. Now finally, level 7, the gods. These open source contributors are at the top of the pyramid. They create projects that millions or even billions of people and companies use every single day, and the world relies on their contributions. Their contributions and views influence the industries and tech, and their work leads the creation of hundreds if not thousands of the communities. For them, open source is not just a career or passion but also their obsession, and they believe that open source liberates the tech. They don't have billions in their bank accounts, but they are and will always be a legend for the billions of people around the world. We all owe a big thank you to such geniuses. And what they need most is more like-minded people who can continue their legacy.